everybody, it is Mystery Monday, and I've got this bag, and this is, well, I have no idea. Here's a little font, and it is saying Old Disney, so it has to be something with Disney, but I don't know what. It looks very artsy, so like a drawing. It might be Mickey Mouse, but it's not like a picture from the movies or something, so let's find out. Okay, you guys, so Mickey and Minnie. They do look a little bit like in the 90s, I would guess, from the colors of the clothing. Yeah, was it easy? No, I wouldn't say it was easy, but it wasn't as hard as I thought when I did Mickey and Minnie. The background, it was okay because you've got this kind of gradient in there. Yeah. The edge was a little bit complicated. Well, not complicated, but it was work. So, yeah. But I've done it! Yay! By the way, I just counted, and we've got 782 pieces. So that wasn't a 500-piece puzzle. And obviously not a 1,000-piece puzzle. A 1,000-piece puzzle. But it was 782. Okay, you guys, if you want, just hit the like button. That would support me. Or consider to subscribe, then you won't miss Mystery Monday. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.